दिवसको अवसरमा यहाँहरू सहभागी हुँदा निकै रमाइलो लागिरहेको छ, होइन त खुसी?
हो नि।
अब ढिला नगरी आजको कार्यक्रम सुरु गरौँ है।
सबैभन्दा सुरुमा चाहिँ म कक्षा 6 को भाइ आयुष पौडेललाई यस मञ्चमा आउन अनुरोध गर्दछु। उसको शीर्षक रहेको छ इम्पोर्टेन्स अफ पोजिटिभ थिङ्किङ। जोरदार तालीका साथ भाइको स्वागत गरौँ।
What you think you become? Respected principal, vice principal, chief guest, brothers and sisters, teachers, ladies and gentlemen. Today, a warm welcome to my study. Today, on the occasion of 31st Parents' Day, I would like to deliver a speech on importance of positive thinking. Positive thinking means focusing on hope, possibilities, and solutions instead of problems. It does not mean ignoring difficulties, but believing that we can overcome it. When we think positively, we become confident and more motivated. Our mind becomes stronger and we are able to reduce stress and face challenges. Positive thinking also helps in improving relationships because optimistic people can help spread encouragement and happiness to others. For example, when we face failure, a positive thinker sees it as a lesson rather than the end. This attitude will help us. Thank you.